Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. A few days ago we did a video about the National Housing Trust building 15,000 homes over the next 4 years. And today we're going to talk about the Housing Agency of Jamaica. Now they plan to build 10,000 homes over the next 4 years. As you know, a lot of progress is going on in Jamaica. The level of development is unprecedented. Not only buildings, not only hotels, but also homes for people to live in. So we really have to wonder. Well, let's not go there. But just look at what's going on in Jamaica today. And you really have to ask the question, why didn't this happen before? I mean, everywhere you look, guys, I'm asking you a question. Have you ever seen this level of development in Jamaica before? Look anywhere in Jamaica. Kingston, Hanover, Negril, Ocho Rios, the North Coast. Oh my gosh. And we don't know where the labor force is going to come from to work on the North Coast, both in the construction and when all these hotels and massive developments are finished. So we have to love the progress that's going on. So today now we're going to talk about what the Housing Agency of Jamaica plans to do. The Housing Agency of Jamaica continues to provide affordable housing solutions for low and middle income earning Jamaicans, as well as provide for the regularization of informal settlements. Providing an update on the agency and its contribution to the 2024-25 budget debate in the House of Representatives recently, Prime Minister the Most Honorable Andrew Holness said, of the 14,000 housing solutions the HAJ has committed to start, approximately 4,000 have been achieved. Over the next 4 years, the HAJ is projecting approximately 10,000 housing starts and just over 6,000 deliveries, he further added. He pointed out that in 2024-25, construction will commence at Bay Farm Road, St. Andrew, with 72 solutions, Clarkstown, Trelawney, 721 solutions, Luena Gardens 4, St. Elizabeth, 587 solutions, Oasis at Montego Bay, 96 solutions, and Grange Pen St. James, 1,250 solutions through a joint venture. The Prime Minister said these 5 developments account for 2,726 solutions to address the needs in the low to middle income market. Meanwhile, he said the HAJ has been on a path to transform Brownfield sites by undertaking infrastructural work in concert with key stakeholders such as the Tourism Enhancement Fund. He informed that Brownfield projects to be undertaken in the 2024-25 include Retirement St. James, 1,547 solutions, Eden Park St. James, 144 solutions, and Norwich Portland, 423 solutions. Security of tenure of citizens of Brownfield sites is of paramount importance to me and many members of this honorable House, he said. The Prime Minister said that he stated that during the 2023-24, the HAJ continued work in Grange Pen Brownfield development geared towards bringing water, sewage, and infrastructure to households and providing 314 certificates of title. The Prime Minister said this will enable residents within the community to know what it means to finally have real security of tenure. Additionally, he informed that the HAJ will be intensifying title issuance. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.